look behind the scenes. I just wrapped up the God Skills Conference for Cleaning Businesses. Okay, it was a live class at 7 p.m. They receive examples of cleaning and business and bidding opportunities, cleaning business questions for them to ask. They also received market research, capability statements for cleaning businesses, business lead strategy, cleaning business industry news, a procurement checklist, questions and answers, supplier diversity information, and various manuals. I mean, there is so much content. When you see downloads, I mean, like, some of these have like 10, 15 different downloads. The information is really, really valuable for your business. You also receive information on your competitors, how much they're pricing, the contracts that they're winning, the square footage of their particular facility, and how much they want for that. That is valuable data that's going to really help you compete more strategically. So definitely register for my God Skills conference. I have one coming up on Monday for lawyers. The link is in my bio. We have God Skills conference for lawyers. Thank you for all the businesses that participated tonight. procurementqueen.com.